Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve weekly contest 445 problems. Okay, so let's get started with problem number 1. Find closest person. You are given three integers x, y and z representing the positions of three people on a number line. X is the position of person 1, y is position of person 2 and z is position of person 3 who doesn't move. Okay, so z doesn't move. Alright. Both person 1 and person 2 move towards person 3 at the same speed. We have to determine which person reaches person 3 first. Return 1 if person 1 arrives first, return 2 if person 2 arrives first, and return 0 if both arrive at same time. Okay, and then we have to return the result accordingly. Okay, so we have solved this problem. Now see the approach here. So here x value is 2, y is 7 and z is 4. Okay, so z is fixed. Okay, so now just do one thing now, calculate the difference between x to z. Okay, so we will use math.absolute function. Okay, and overall distance, okay, if x wants to move to z, so overall distance is going to be 2, right? And same way if y wants to move to z, then the overall distance is 3, right? So out of these two, this one is smaller, right? So x is going to reach first, so person 1 is reaching first. That simply means we have to return 1. Okay, position 1, person 1 is at position 2 and can reach person 3 at position 2 in just 2 steps. Okay, person 2 is at position 7 and can reach person 3 in 3 steps. Okay, since person 1 reaches person 3 first, output is 3. That's it. Okay, very simple code. Okay, so this is the code for this particular problem. Okay, so here what I'm doing, I'm calculating the difference. Okay, first to target, second to target. Okay, and I'm using math.absolute. Okay, I don't want a negative value, right? And here difference of first is smaller than difference of second, then return 1. If difference of second is less than difference of first, return 2. Else if both reaches at the same time, we have to return 0. That's it. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with question number 1 of weekly contest 445. For solutions of other problems, please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.